This is your host DL. So, my painting is completed. I will move forward now. Most of my paintings that have glitter can truly be seen at the full sun. Okay? The sunlight from the back, the sun rays from the front. Back meaning here, front meaning here. Okay, so there we have it. We're gonna go close. It was fun project, really fun. Focus over here, and let's focus in the center. Okay, and let's focus over here, and then let's focus over here, and of course here, and here, and here, and here, and here. I mean, I think it came out good. I like this part especially. If you look at under the sun, this, and this. And obviously, the stars, this star, and this star. Okay? And I think it was fun. Till I start another one. So this is New Year's Eve. Come tomorrow, it's going to be the next year. So I truly, maybe we are a habit, creature of our habits. Maybe it's just the way it is. Maybe, who knows? Different strokes for different folks. You do you. Right? Anyhow, anyway, I have not decided the name yet. Eventually I will come with the name in another day or so, but I can say that for sure. I love it. I don't know about others, but hey, I have a ball when I paint. I have fun. I meditate. I'm in Zen, and I enjoy every moment of it. It's simple as that. This is your host DL. To all my subscribers, to all my viewers, to all the people out there with their positive or negative comments, love them both, regardless. I'm a professional, and I say, life goes on, right? Enjoy every moment of your life and be happy. Once again, thank you all, and Happy New Year.